everybody, it's Diane Naylor from Naylor & Naylor, Keller Williams Seneca. Welcome to Overlook on Lake Hartwell in Anderson, a gated community just minutes from Clemson, Anderson shopping and seconds from I-85. Amenities include a pool, clubhouse, gym, courtesy dock, and it's perfect for Clemson game days, full-time living or investments. Today we're going to feature two great condos, Unit 725, 4 beds, 4 baths, and Unit 632, 2 beds, 2 baths, fully furnished. Both move-in ready and full of potential. So let's go take a look. Watching our video. If you would like a personal tour or want more information, give me a call. Diane Naylor, Naylor & Naylor, Keller Williams Seneca, 864-650-2476. Hope to see you soon.